Hello guys, Loopy here, and today I'm going to show you all my 11 ringtones in my Gigaset GL310 phone. Here's the first one. This is my personal favorite. So, this one is the expect. When you least expect it, when you wake up, this is the nice, breezing melody you hear when you expect. Now let me show you another one. It's called Step to Be. Now this one is Step to Be, more like Step to Be the very best skirt, which means that Alabama was made to be lied about by Trump, apparently. Here's another one. I forgot what it's called. It's the one that pisses me off the most. This one really pisses me off. Here's 02. Ever wanted a machine gun to shoot at you? Me neither. Here's 03. It's pretty much 01, but it hit puberty. Where is it? This is 02's child. This one has melody in it, but it's literally the same exact one as 01. That's Gigaset. That's the one that really breaks my ears in a positive way. This one is really unnecessarily quiet. I don't know why. This one makes no sense. It's just one single note. Thank you for watching. I will bring other Gigaset and Nokia ringtones for everyone to hear. Hope you have a good time.